Hello, Team Planned. It's Rob Francis, President and CEO. I've been in the company for over 22 years, and I have to say, as a proud fourth generation in the business and as your fellow colleague, these are very different times for all of us. I want to make sure that we all get updated information, that we're all effectively communicating, that we're being very sensitive to everybody's concerns and needs. We created an associate information page for all of us to get the latest information on COVID-19, to get the latest information from the CDC, to update you on payroll and employee assistance and the employee relief fund and other areas that we can be more proactive for you. So team, let's look at the associate COVID-19 information portal together and just kind of run through it. Again, this is vital information that will update consistently. You have an opening message proudly from me and the group. During this historic worldwide emergency, the planned company's HR department and all the departments wants our associates to have access to up-to-date information designed to help during this time. This page includes information on payroll, employee assistance, and other topics, and it'll be updated, as I mentioned, throughout. So first, you have useful links during this time. The Center for Disease Control on their coronavirus website. You have a link for keeping the workplace safe, interim guidance for businesses and employers, steps to prevent illness that I would encourage you to look at, and what to do if you are sick, also please look at. So the next section I want to point to is Pecs, the Planned Employee Communication System. It's a very important tool for you to use to get updated information on your company, happenings at the company, important alerts and updates about our current crisis situation. We used to use it for weather and still do, but now you'll get information on the virus and updates on that. We want everyone to be informed and aware and engaged and educated together on what's happening. You can get information on yourself on the Pecs network, so please use Pecs. It's just a great, efficient, and effective means of the entire company communicating together. I can't stress that enough. It's very important. The next section is very important. It's the Employee Assistance Program. The Work-Life Matters Employee Assistance Program is available to provide services to help promote well-being and enhance the quality of life for our associates and your families. All associates can access the Work-Life Matters hotline at no charge. Connect to a counselor for free. You can email eapcounselor@ibhcorp.com. The phone number is 1-800-386-7055. That's 1-800-386-7055. It's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's there for you to have someone to speak to. I think during these times, it's actually very important to use that if you're feeling anxious or have questions or just want to have a good outlet. The Employee Assistance Program can help on health matters, healthy living, stress management, your mental health, diet and fitness, and overall wellness. All very important topics. On family topics, family matters, parenting support, child and elder care, learning programs, and special needs help. All very important. On legal and financial matters, legal issues, will preparation, taxes, debt, financial planning, all topics that you can use on the Employee Assistance Program. I encourage you to use that. The Employee Relief Fund. This is something that years ago, our company, Planned Companies, and the parent company in Toronto, First Service, really came up with to make sure that in times of real hardship, that there was a fund available for our teams so that you can access it at specific times. It was created to help employees who are facing financial hardship immediately after a natural disaster, an unforeseen personal hardship, or related to the coronavirus pandemic. The fund relies primarily on individual donations from employees with support from planned companies. If you're experiencing personal hardship due to the effects of the coronavirus pandemic, you may apply for a grant for financial assistance under the serious illness injury category. Links to the grant form application are available on this page. well as some of the most frequently asked questions. And you'll see those questions below, and I encourage you to use this as well. Payroll information. So direct deposit or our pay card enrollment. So due to this emergency situation, we anticipate delays in the mail service. That is naturally going to happen. To avoid any delays in receiving your payroll, we encourage you to enroll in direct deposit immediately. If you do not have a bank account, you can enroll in our pay card option. Both of these options ensure that you'll be paid timely every payroll, and we strongly recommend you do this ASAP. If interested, please contact askhr@plancompanies.com for more information. So positions and jobs. If you know someone who's lost their job, don't forget about our referral program. It's a good time for current associates to refer in family and friends that may be looking for a job. Use our text recruit system. Text the word PLANNED, PLANNED, to 97211 to apply via text and chat with a recruiter. Plan Companies benefits include medical, dental, vision, 401k with the company match proudly, referral bonuses that I just mentioned, career opportunities and growth, and on-the-job training.